Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change or delete music on Instagram post. So open your Instagram app and I recently post a post with music. So go to three dots settings to change or delete the music. So there is the edit button, click to edit button where you can see two option, but there is no option to delete or change. There is caption option and add to location option, and go back and click to sounds and use audio. There is also no option, so it will be deleted. This is how to change or delete music on Instagram post. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.